Play on your harp, neon dragon, shimmering scales on your back, shedding your skin in the core of the earth, quietly vibrating tones. The last dragon of all, hiding alone in the dark. When you are big, you must play very gentle, a simple mistake, and the heart may be breaking. The silence unknown, stories unfold, hiding away from the dragon hunter. Breathing in and breathing out, the harp is outworn and decayed. Strings are torn off, but you're playing although one string is all that remains. The last dragon of all, hiding alone in the dark. In the silence unknown, stories unfold, hiding away from the dragon heart. Play on your harp, neon dragon, been playing for so many years. Your claws are too sharp for the fragile small heart, keeping our dragon alive.